Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for dropping by my channel and checking out this video. So I've been making a few videos as YouTube help videos to help other content creators like myself to help make their YouTube videos better. And one of those ways to do that is through adding sound effects to your videos, whether you're vlogging or making any type of video. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys some sound effects that are very popular that you guys can then take and copy and put them into your YouTube videos. So here are the most popular sound effects that I've been able to compile that I think will be really useful to you guys. So feel free to download these. If you do, make sure you throw a comment down below. I'd love to know that you did that. And if you want, go ahead and subscribe to this channel as a thank you. So without further ado, here are the sound effects.